My name is Paul Stahl, and this is a tour of my professional e-portfolio. The first stop is the candidate info, which includes a personal introduction, the exploration stage of my transference reflection, as well as the 2-year, 5-year, and 10-year personal and professional goals. Also included in this tab is my philosophy of technology. The summarization of this document is that I believe that technology should be used to adapt and personalize activities that align to content standards to help enrich and deepen lessons, and not simply to check a box on a walkthrough form or as a tool for pushing out digital copies of assignments. I also have an updated resume that includes my learning experiences here, as well as my professional experiences thus far. Under the activity evidence, I have the professional development plan. This document was the most rigorous to complete for this course, and is also the document that I'm most proud of. In my plan, I attempt to address a lot of the issues that I see with my current professional development, where we receive little time to collaborate with our departments and rarely follow up with the topics that are discussed in our professional development. I aim to combat these issues by regularly meeting within departments, evaluating, reflecting, and observing other staff and peers throughout the year. I utilize a lot of surveys to provide quantitative data to support the use of the professional development plan. Included are 3 face-to-face training videos, 2 of which are me implementing technology to a small group of students, and the third, based on the needs assessment, aligns with training staff to use our SIS system for student information. I have some professional presentations on promoting critical thinking, an introduction to math projects, and then information regarding FERPA. The article summaries really address math interventions or interventions in general. The article summary 1 is over Khan Academy. The second is utilizing assistive technologies to enhance academic outcomes. And then the third article present is an online tutoring program. The last tab in this category is extra resources, which include 2 links to online professional developments that have a lot of information. I would definitely recommend checking out this teachthought.com. I also include digital tutorials that were created in a previous course for this program that include Remind 101, Kahoot, Weebly, which is a website creation tool, Khan Academy, Desmos, and then 2 infographics for utilizing formative assessment in the classroom, and also Google Classroom with a lot of helpful tips there. Under reports, you can find my peer review forms. I have an internal peer review conducted by Brian Holtz, and then I have an external peer review by one of my mentors, as he was my high school math teacher. And one element that surprised me from his comments that'll definitely come into play later on in this course and in my career is the reluctance of old teachers, or maybe not even old teachers, but the reluctance of tenured teachers to adapt to changes. They may see their lessons as already perfected, and trying to get them to hop on board to implementing new technologies and trying new things may be just as difficult, if not harder, than reaching at-risk students. The last tab that I have on here includes my transference reflection, which will be updated following the comps later next week. So that is a tour of my PEP, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.